Hey guys, in this video we'll be solving another JavaScript interview problem. It's called Group Anagrams. So here we are given an array of strings and we have to group the anagrams together. For this example, we can see that the word eat, tea and ate are anagrams as they have the same characters with same frequency. So here we'll group them together and similarly for the rest of them. So we'll just start solving this. First we'll initialize a map and then we'll loop over the input array. Now for each of the word, we'll sort the letters in an alphabetical order and call it as sorted key. Now for anagrams, the sorted key will be same. So if we sort the letters of the word eat, tea or ate, it will be the same. It will be AET. Now for each of these sorted keys, we'll check if the sorted key exists in the map. If it does, we'll just push it to the existing list. Else we'll just put the word in an array. Now at the end of the loop, our map will look like this. And if we just, in an array, if we take the values of the map, this and this, it will be our result. The object.values of map we can do, and it will be our output. Now we'll just write code for this. First we'll declare the map. I'll write const map to an empty object. Now we'll loop over our strings array. I'll use for of loop, const str of strings. Now here we'll compute the sorted key, right? Sorted key. So what we'll do is we'll convert this string to an array of characters. To the array we'll apply sort and then we'll join it. So I can do str dot split. Now to this I'll sort dot join to convert it back to string. Now we'll check if the key exists in the map of sorted key. If it does, we'll just push the string to the array. So map of sorted key dot push str. Else, if the key is not there, we'll just do map of sorted key to an array with the string. Okay, so this will build up our map, and to group the anagrams we'll just do object.values of map. So what we can do is at the end here we can return object.values of map. We'll try running this. So this is accepted. I'll submit it. This is also fine. Now coming to time and space complexities. Here we are using a single loop. So for that the time complexity will be order of n, and inside of the loop we are sorting an array. A regular sort will give us a time complexity of order of n log n. So the overall time complexity will be order of n times n log n. I'll just first write it down. Now I'll use different variables. I'll just show you. Time will be order of n times k log k. Now here n is the length of strings array which we are looping over, and k is the, at worst case k will be the longest string that we are sorting. So longest str of strs. Okay, now for space complexity we have to store the entire map where the keys will be the sorted values, and the value which will be an array, it can grow to max. So space complexity will be order of n times k, since we have to store key and the entire array. Yeah, thanks for watching.